Namaskar, myself Dr. Kamla R. Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Dravya Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on Supari or Erica Katachu. Content of the lecture are general introduction, Latin name and family, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations. Betel nuts or supari is the one of the most important herb in Ayurvedic medicine system. Betel nuts are the seeds or kernel of the tree Erica catachu, a species of palm tree. These can be used as fresh, dried, boiled, roasted or fermented. It is traditionally used to treat several diseases such as leukoderma, leprosy, anemia and obesity. Latin name of supari is Erica catachu. Family is Pomi or Ericaceae. Sanskrit name is Kramuk, Hone, Poog. English name is Erica nut or betel nut. Hindi name is supari. In India, it is commonly known as supari and added to pan with other ingredients like slagged lime, katha, kulkand, etc. This is the view of supari. Ayurvedic properties of supari is in ras it is kashaya madhur, in gun it is guru ruksh, in vipak it is katu, in virya it is sheath. Effect on those is kapha pitta shamak. Parts to be used is fruit, dosage is powder or cut seed is 1 to 3 grams and decoction is 10 to 15 ml. Therapeutic properties and uses of betel nut is decoction of poop is used for gargling to treat cases of mouth ulcer, bleeding gums and dental plaque. Fine powder of erica nut is used as dusting powder to treat wound and control bleeding. The decoction of Erica catachu is pushed through vaginal route as a type of enema to treat conditions of leukorrhea. Erica nut powder with lime juice is given to treat anorexia and nausea. The powder of Erica catachu is used as dental powder to whiten the teeth and remove dental plaque. Regular intake of erica nut can cause decrease of sperm count. Decoction of poop in a dose of 10 to 15 ml can treat inflammation of the uterus and decreases the urine output. Ayurvedic medicines formed with suparis, Fugakhand, used in vomiting, gastritis, dyspepsia, abdominal colic, pain, dizziness, rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes, obesity, splenic disorders, rectal bleeding, and anemia. Dashan Sanskar Chool, it is an Ayurvedic medicine in herbal powder form. It is used as tooth powder or dant manjan. It helps to strengthen teeth, improve shine and whiteness. Side effect and contraindication of supari is betel nuts regular use is harmful for health. It should be used in recommended dose only for medicinal purpose. Its excessive chewing is harmful for teeth. Use of betel nut is contraindicated in asthma. Increased incidence of oral cancer associated with betel chewing. The seeds are fatally toxic at 8 to 10 gram and fluid extract at 3 to 5 ml. Thanks for sharing your time with me. If you find any difficulty to understand the topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thanks once again.